Hello everyone, this is Michael reviewing the ZooMax Snow 12 magnifier. Now this box is very sectioned on. You have a styrofoam cover and a gray cloth carrying case, and the magnifier is actually inside here. This just unzips at the top. And then inside is your magnifier. There's another styrofoam cover in here. If you lift it up, there is the manual, the quick guide, and a registration paper on the back. We also have the hard carrying case, which is black and durable. And this also unzips. And there's a top zipper portion and a bottom portion with the carrying stand and chargers. Now in the zipper portion, the only thing in there is this arm strap, which attaches easily on the side. There. So you would just do that on both sides, and this is more portable. Alright, so in the plastic bag that comes with this device, you have the user manual. It's very thick, lots and lots of settings. But they also provide a little quick start guide that just unfolds. And these pictures are very large and easy to see. Now, I'm not going to use this right now, but they have a registration page that you can fill out. And finally, they have a little screen cleaning cloth so you can wipe the screen, because this does fingerprint very easily. In the hard case, they have a power cable to charge the Snow 12. This comes in two different pieces you'll have to connect. But just like your laptops, just plug it in and that's it. They include an HDMI cable, and this is so you can connect this to your monitor or television. There's a port on the Snow 12 for the small end, and the bigger end would connect to your monitor or television. They have a USB-C cable, and this is because the Snow 12 can take pictures, so you can offload them to your computer this way. And then they have the folding stand. And all of these components will fit in the black hard case. So next I'm going to be showing you the hard stand that comes with the ZooMax. It folds very flat and it's extremely easy to set up. So all you do is lift there, and then these arms will unfold, and the final little gray tray piece unfolds, and it's auto set for your ZooMax to do reading material below like a CCTV. And that's it. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to show you the ports that are on the side of the ZooMax. So on the right side, I have a HDMI out And this is where that HDMI cable to connect this to your television or monitor so you could have an even bigger display than the 12-inch ZooMax. So you could plug it in to that port, plug it into your television, and now you can watch whatever you're looking at on the ZooMax on your 50-inch television. So it's a much bigger display. Also on the right side is a headphone port, and on the bottom, on the round part, that's actually where the power button is, on the right side. On the left side is your USB-C port, and that's where you would connect this to a computer so you could offload any images you have or pictures you've taken with it onto your computer. And your camera port is there as well. So if you had a distance viewing camera, you could plug it in there, and then you can see things at a distance much better than on the ZooMax. Now on the front, this is a touchscreen, and going right to left, we have the zoom in button, the zoom out button, and the contrast button. And then on the left side, we have the settings button, the take a picture button, and that's also, if we hold that, that's how we will use the OCR. And then this little joystick is just for when you're in the settings. If you don't want to use the touchscreen, you can use this to navigate the menus as well. So if you prefer a more tactile approach, you can use the joystick. Thank you for watching. We want to thank Palmer Vision in Lawrenceville, Georgia for lending this device to us to review and test out. Their website is www.palmervision.com, and a link will be in the description. Hope this helped.